That works.
I think it does.
If you like chili con carne and you love a burger, you got to make this, I'm telling you. So this is Joe's take on
A chili con carne burger.
Sounds good to me. So you've basically incorporated a chili con carne into the mincemeat.
Literally. We're going to do half in the salsa and then half in the burger itself. Here we have the main wet ingredients to go in, which would consist of chilli. I've chopped up some kidney beans, quarter of a red onion, have some salt and pepper, cayenne, chili pepper, oregano, and some cumin. You're going to add some tomato puree as well. That will give you the base. An avocado salsa consists of another quarter of red onion, chopped cherry tomatoes, and 1 avocado. And we're going to top it off with some olive oil shortly as the main topping. We've got 2 garlic cloves as well in the main burger itself. And we're going to be using 500 grams of normal mincemeat. So I'll just add papers. Helps it stop it sticking, but as soon as you bring them out, you can add it to each other, so just top them off. Voila.
So I've just poured some butter over this. We're just going to toast those off. By toasting the buns, it just seals it, stops all those juices running into the bun. No lid. I'm salivating smelling that. So we've put the salsa on top of this one. You're going to put some salsa on yours?
Oh, I think I might have to.
So we grilled these on the Weber Slate, toasted the buns off with a little bit of butter. Just has to be done because it keeps all the juices in. Cheers, dude.
Thank you, sir.
That works.
I think it does. No, I've done this before, but I think adding the extra bit of chilli.
Yeah, it's not. I'm not.
It's not overpowering.
I'm not a chilli person. My heat tolerance is low as low can be. I'm a wuss when it comes to spice and heat, but that's not overpowering at all. That's just a nice bit of back heat. Just right.
Salsa gives it a nice crunch as well. I think just topping over that little extra chili cheese, and a bit of Gouda.
Juicy as anything.
That is not.
If you like chili con carne and you love a burger, you got to make this. I'm telling you. Brioche bun as well. I was kind of thinking that, you know, a sweet brioche bun wouldn't work with a chili con carne, but it does. The cheese on the edges have gone crispy, which is just adding that bit more flavour. I would definitely say you couldn't do these as a smash burger because of the ingredients in the mincemeat. They'll just fall apart. Absolutely fall apart. So that wouldn't work. Don't try that. Make them exactly as he's done. Nice and thick. Grill them off. You just can't go wrong.
No. That's why we've done it.
Nom nom nom. We better feed the cameraman. Do you want salsa in yours, cameraman?
No.
Yeah, put some salsa in place.
Oh.
That salsa works really well in there as well.
Yeah, nice to have you either got cooked chilli or raw chilli. It's nice.
As I say, I'm not great with temps and spices, but that works really well. So, with that being said, go cook something exceptional. Oh. So with that being said, go cook something exceptional, and I'll see you when I see you. Cheers. Cheers, dude.
Thank you, sir.
That works.
I think it does.